Namaste, welcome to Monday Bytes from ChitraCars. Like the channel, share it to your friends and subscribe the channel. Today we're talking about trends of buying new car have changed. Before pandemic, everything was off the shelf. You can go to any showroom and buy the car off the shelf. Today, after pandemic, the trends have changed. The production is less, number one. Number two, the delivery schedules have changed. If you want to book a car, if you want to buy a car, you have to wait for 1 month to 6 months or 1 year, also depends on the model of the car you plan to buy. Let's say XUV 700 is taking 1 year for you to get the delivery. So like that. So you need to plan to buy a car today. Let's say you want to buy it for Sankranti or Ugadi or New Year. So you need to book it now. There were a lot of year-end discounts which were coming in the previous years. Today we are not getting it. They're giving minimal discounts for the year-end and there's no stock available. So you need to book now and make sure you buy the car for a festival season for Sankranti or Ugadi. So plan in advance and book your car. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think ChitraCars. Thank you. Namaste.